Good morning, my dear students. Let's begin today's e-learning class of English. Today, we will do notice writing from grammar. First of all, let's try to understand what is a notice. Students, notice is a very short piece of writing usually written in a formal style. It is a very important form of written communication used to announce functions, events, to issue public instructions, to make appeals, or to extend invitations. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards, whether in schools or in public places. Now, I will tell you some points which are to be kept in mind while framing a notice. First of all, a notice should always be written in a box. Use simple and clear language. Write in a neat and legible handwriting. A notice should always be written in third person. You must avoid use of personal pronouns like I and we. A notice should never exceed a maximum of 50 words. You must give a clear and eye-catching heading which should clearly indicate the purpose for which the notice is being written. Now, let's try to understand how to write a notice. First of all, make a rectangular box in your notebook. In the rectangular box, exactly on the top middle portion, write name of the organization which is issuing the notice. And below it, in the next line, write the word notice. In the third line, on the left hand side, you are supposed to write date. After this, in the fourth line, you have to write suitable title or heading. After giving the above details, you have to write main content of the notice. You can say body of a notice. Students, while writing body of a notice, just keep 6 W's in mind. The first W indicates what. That is, what the notice is about, or what is going to happen, or what already has happened. Next W is who. It means who has been addressed to. Our next W is where. If the notice is about an event, then the place of the event must be clearly mentioned. Next comes when. It tells time and date when a particular event will be held. Then comes what. What indicates what to do. Here, those instructions are given which are related to the notice. Next is whom. It indicates the person who is to be contacted. So, these are the 6 W's which should be kept in mind while framing body of a notice. After this, you have to write name and designation of the person who is issuing the notice. This is to be written after the body of the notice, right in the left side of the box. I hope that now you might have an idea of how to write a notice. Students, things will be more clear to you when you will try to write notice in your notebooks,